Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Dashami Puja. As you can see, I am already prepared. Are you prepared or not? If you are not prepared, you watch my video and get prepared soon because Puja is waiting for us. Okay, so I am full ready to go to Puja, and as you can see, this is my whole look for Puja. So if you are not prepared, watch my video till end so you will get all the idea, all the makeup steps, how you will do it at the end, and you can get ready like me also. Let's see the makeup part now. Here I have cleaned my face properly, and as you can see I am applying hyaluronic serum which is from L'Oreal and my all time favorite, and I am applying it all over my face just in dabbing method, as you can see. After this, I am using moisturizer. Here I am using two types of moisturizer. One is from Cetaphil and one is from Lakme. And I am combining these two and I am using in my face so that I will get a glass skin look for long lasting my makeup. Here I have applied moisturizer in my face and neck properly. As you can see, I am massaging it, and as you can see, I am getting glass skin. Here I am applying this Mamaearth Vitamin C Day Cream. It gives you a glowy effect and it also contains SPF which will protect you from sun damage. As I am going outside for Sindur Khel, I am applying this. As you can see, I have applied in my skin properly. Now I am taking this primer and applying on my skin. It will protect my pores from clogging and will also give a glowy effect. Now I am taking concealer and applying it wherever I found dark circle and dark spots. Now I will blend it using a blender from Plum in tapping method. Now I am applying foundation. As you can see, this foundation exactly matching my skin tone. Here I have blended foundation on my face and neck. Don't forget your neck area because that is also important. Here I am taking this loose powder and applying it to set the foundation properly around my eye area so it will not crease. After that I am blending the loose powder using a brush. Now I will start my eye makeup. Here I am taking these two palettes. One is from Nika and another is from Maybelline. Today I will create a smoky golden eye look. So I am taking this chocolate brown eyeshadow and applying it on my crease line. Always remember, apply a dark shade in your crease and outer corner. Never apply a dark shade in your inner corner, otherwise it will look hell. After blending it properly, I am taking this mint golden eyeshadow and applying it on my eyeball area. Now I am taking this golden color eyeshadow and applying it in my eyeball using my fingers and blending it with fingers only. Now as you can see, my eye makeup is done. Now I am going to start my eyebrow. Here I am taking this brush and brushing my eyebrow to set it properly. After this I am taking this brown eye pencil and filling the eyebrow wherever I have the gap and again brushing it using the brush. Now my eyebrow is properly done and I am going to apply eyeliner, mascara and kajal. Here I have speed up the video because ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो रहा था. So I sorted it down. Here I have applied this mascara, kajal and eyeliner, as you can see. Now whole eye makeup and eyebrow is done. Here I have taken two matte powder and applying on my face using a brush.
The main reason of using two matte powder is to get a proper makeup look. K1 is exactly matching my skin tone, where O3 is more lighter than my skin tone. That's the reason I am using here two matte powder. Now I am going to apply lipstick. Before that I have lined my lips properly, and after that I have applied this red lipstick to get a bold look. Now I'm going to contour my face. As you can see, these are the places where I have applied contour and blending it properly to give it a proper shape to my face. Now it's my favorite highlighter time. I'm applying highlighter in my nose bridge, chin and in collarbone area. And I'm blending it also. Some highlighter I'm applying in cheekbone area and blending it properly to get the glowy look, as you can see. Now at last I am using this blush, and after tapping it I am using it on my cheeks and blending it. Now my makeup is done. As you can see, this is my whole makeup. Now I will do my hair. After partition I am combing my hair properly and making a juda hair. That's the reason I am making this type of hairstyle. Now I am painting my nails and hand and also creating the color look of Bengali style. At this moment of time, I am ready to wear my sari and ornaments. Are you ready to see my look? Oh my god, can't wait to show you. Tantana! Here is my whole look.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए.
So this is my complete makeup look, as you can see here.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो.
Most of the things are in gold, so maybe I can't give you the link in these things. Those who are artificial I have bought from online stores. I'll give the link in the description box, and you can buy that also. As you saw, these are the whole process of makeup of this look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to the friends and colleagues so that they can try this look for this Dasera. So please subscribe my channel if you are new here, and hit that bell icon also to get notified when I am uploading new video. Happy Dasera to all of you again. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.